guys, and welcome back to Friday for Game with me, Sam, and
Jesper here.
And today we play Exploding Kitten.
Yeah, Exploding Kitten. It's a new game on our
channel.
Yeah. We are today playing on both screens.
Yeah, you will see my view and Jesper's view.
Yeah, and in the description you can see which one it's playing.
Yeah. And here
But
we go.
I remember, yeah, of course, you can see your cards and I cannot see yours.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's not meant to see a charger card.
No. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Who is win? Who will do? Guys, you see, I will do this card.
It's your turn.
Now he needs to play draw two cards instead of one. So remember, it's turning the deck upside down. The bottom card is up on the up. Oh, you want to see the future?
Yeah.
Well, I can see the future, me too.
No.
I didn't. I thought that was not possible. Only was you for you. So I take one card, you take one card, I take one card. I get the Exploding Kitten.
Yeah.
I will draw the card.
Your turn.
It's my turn, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, take this one.
No, not that card. You cannot take my other diffuse card, I think it's. But you get the bomb!
No.
You need to use that diffuse you took from me. And you need to put it somewhere.
There.
No, you took that card. Oh, now I know which card. It was not the diffuse card.
Yeah.
It was that card I need now because I know you put it on the upper. But we will do this. What's this? Oh, you put it there. Now I know where you put the card.
It's your turn.
Now I can do this now. Do this.
You.
Oh my god. You know, guys, I have played this one time ago. And it's really hard, but it's going very well. Anyway. You guys that have played this game, you should think I really noob. Oh my god, no, what's happening now? This is not good at all.
We will do this one.
It's your turn.
Now it's your turn. And we do this. You don't get to do that to me again. One more card. Oh, I didn't get the kitten, that was not good.
6 card left. 5 card left.
Yeah, you see the %, that's how much chance you have to get the bomb.
Yeah, okay. Oh my god,
And we do this. And we will lock. Which one will I lock for you in one turn so you cannot use it? We will take that card. Oh, it's a good choice! Now we cannot use that card for one turn, but I think it was a bad choice. One, or take this card instead.
No!
Yes! Yes, was so good!
No!
Yes!
Your turn.
Yes! Shuffle 3 cards. Oh, it's so scary.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah. Oh crap.
Oh, there's 2 cards left now. Sam.
Oh, I got the bomb.
The nuclear bomb.
Where I put it? On the bottom, on the top. On the bottom, on the top.
Yeah.
We'll do this.
You.
Your turn. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
You don't have a diffuse?
Yeah. Ah! No!
I win, but we will keep going again.
We keep going.
Because it's a very short video.
Yeah. Oh my god, the
Play
guys.
again.
Yeah.
Play again.
Play again there.
And another one. And the code is 710 448.
Yeah. We back again.
Again. Because I think it's only about 10 minutes per turn. 5 to 10
hell.
minutes. So 2 matches is like 20 minutes and that's good.
Yeah. You know, guys, today we are going to ride on our bike to
Maybe.
a destination.
Maybe. Nah, we will ride.
It's your turn.
Yeah, this is interesting. You will not do that to me. You can waste your card. You can waste your card. You know, I think you can use net on the fuse too. So you can know of the fuse card, so you
Okay,
cannot
okay.
defuse it.
Okay.
I think you can do that.
Your turn.
Your turn, my friend.
Oh no, it's coming up.
No battery.
No, you know, some people are. Sending
You
message.
get that, but I don't get it.
I think it's coming from Medina.
Oh, you go. We see now.
You.
It's your turn.
And they came also from my my sister's boyfriend now.
It's my turn again. We do this then, because I am scared of the top card. We will draw a card.
Your turn.
I hope you like this kind of video, guys. No. I cannot. Oh, you took the same card as you put down. That's good. You need to draw a card too.
Yeah.
We'll do this. Give me a card, please.
I can give you this card.
Give me a card, please.
I can give you.
You know. Jag fick en fan. Shuffle this card. I will put this card. I will hope I take your only diffuse.
You.
Nuclear bomb.
Come on, get the bomb. No, I didn't get the bomb.
Good.
That was not good.
It's your turn.
You want to give me the future too? Oh, you get a good card. That's not good. Alright, now I know where the card is.
Your turn.
Let's go.
Burning in love. yeah.
Oh, what you gonna do?
It's your turn.
When they come for you.
Can you know for my card? This is 2 stars. No, not me. No! Oh
my god! Oh my god!
Oh, it's my turn.
Already there.
So we play this.
Nuclear bomb. You smell. It's burning. Burning in love.
Now you need to shuffle, I think. Do you have that turn? So continue. You get the
No.
Oh, so you defuse it.
Yeah. Of course. Of
Do I
course
get
I
the
do.
bomb? Yeah, I get the bomb.
You get the bomb. Nuclear bomb.
But I did defuse.
No, it's not
Do you
good.
have a defuse?
Yeah.
It's my turn again.
Mm.
Oh,
Oh my god, oh my god.
it's your turn.
It's my turn. It's my turn now. No, it's not.
Your turn.
No. Oh my god.
Can you? Oh, do you have the bomb? Defuse?
Oh! No!
You don't have any defuse? Yeah, I win again! And that's
How
it
the
for today,
hell?
guys.
Yeah, this for today, guys, and we see you back next
No, I'm just kidding, guys. In the next video.
next video on Fridays for Gaming on Fridays.
Sorry for that count this outro, but we'll see you guys next time.
Bye bye.